X plus 5, was it X plus 4?
Yes.
Now, Rebecca, we are at your favorite strategy.
It's not my favorite.
F to the O to the I oils. We're going to have to FOIL. You're going to have to FOIL this X and then FOIL this X over here. And then you have to do these on the bottom with the 5 as well. So covering the X's first. X times X make
X squared.
X squared. X times 4X. 4X. Now I'm in the center. 5 times X.
5X.
5 and 4.
20.
All right. So at this point, after you FOIL, that's where you should be at on number 5.
Huh?
Wait, what?
We're number 8.
Oh, number 8. Sorry. Let me put that up there. Y'all know I got the memory of an ant.
And then you would combine like terms.
Something like that. Combine like terms.
Which would be 9x.
X squared plus 9X plus 20.
Yeah. And
Let me do that another flavor. That I know that it was show on the screen. X squared, combine those, make 9X plus 20. Now we're gonna get into our what? Those parentheses, right?
sure.
So becomes X squared plus 9X space parenthesis plus 20 space minus sign. Please watch this one. Don't get confused. It's going to be a fraction and it's nasty.
No.
We love fractions.
Remember, now, watch because it's a trick. The middle term, you take 9 and divide it by 2 and square, right? So if you take 9 and divide it by 2 and square, you should get what?
9.
No.
Wait.
9 over 4, 9 divided by 2 squared becomes what? It's a fraction.
81 over 2.
81 over 4.
How? What? How?
9 over 2 squared. You square the 9, you square the 2. Remember, this is squared, Becca. Look. What's 9 squared? 81. What's 2 squared? 4.
Oh.
So you add it on the inside and subtract it on the outside.
In the other examples, we didn't treat it like a fraction. We just like squared it normally.
You ain't have a fraction that it ain't come out to a fraction. This one came out to a fraction.
Oh.
Yeah. Now you're gonna have to subtract on the outside 20 minus 81 over 4. Make it easy. What can I turn 20 into where I got a 4 in the denominator?
80 over 4.
Thank you, Henley. Turn 20 into 80 over 4 so we can subtract it from 81 over 4.
What?
You had to convert this. So we converted 20 to 80 over 4. What's 80 divided by 4? Yep, light bulb. Now,
It took me a minute.
80 minus 81 makes,
Negative 1 over.
so on the outside, you got a negative
1/4.
1/4. Now, let me move over here so y'all can see how this gonna work, because some of y'all gonna be confused. In the middle here, you had x squared plus, we had to divide 9 over 2 and square, and we got 81 over 4. Here's a trick. You need 2 numbers. You need, catch this one, Sancho. You need 2 numbers when it's fractions like this. Here's a shortcut, and y'all need to catch it. 2 numbers that multiply to give me 81 over 4, that add to give me 9 over 2. What is that fraction?
9 over 2.
No.
Thank you. It's 9 over 2.
What?
So when, come on, Q. So when we have a fraction like that, like this, 81 over 4, 2 numbers that multiply to equal not 81 over 4, then if I add them, they give me 9 over 2. I want to show you so you can see it.
Yeah, I need
If we multiply 9 over 2, we get what?
81.
right? That's how you get this.
Yeah.
Also, if you add 9 over 2, what do you get?
18 over 4. I mean, 18 over 2, sorry.
Which is your...
Oh, okay, I see it now. Okay. Yeah, the problem was I can't do it in my head.
That's fine. Got that?
Yeah.
All right. Now, so you know that your answer, whenever you see it that way, your answer is always here. So your answer is going to be x.
Wait, whenever it's a fraction?
Whenever you add those fractions on the outside, two numbers that multiply to give you this fraction and add to give me this, it's going to be always
Well, it
this
makes
number.
sense if it's the middle value. Yeah.
Plus 81 over 4. So this is our answer. Should be. That's number 8.
Great.
Let me double check it. Slide.
Wait, what? Wait, Mr. Winter. Isn't the answer negative 9 over 2 comma negative 1?
What did I put?
You didn't put it vertex. Like, you didn't finish.
Oh, I didn't finish it? Sorry. Oh, yeah, I did.
Oh, wait.
Wait.
Wait, why would it be plus 81 over 4 when it just be 1 over 4?
Whoa.
Yeah, it should be 1 over 4.
Wow. Thank you for fixing that.
Oh, yeah.
Should be minus 1 over 4. Went too fast.
Wait,
All right, let's double check.
I thought it would become positive.
That was number 8?
Yeah.
Wait, Mr. Winter, did you do number 7?
Not yet.
Oh, okay.
See it?
Wait, I thought it would become positive. Or what changed signs? There's like something that's supposed to change signs, right?
So your vertex will be negative 9 over 2. That's correct. When you pull this out, it'll be negative 9 over 2,
So,
negative 1
so
over
then
4.
why does it say positive?
Because it's the opposite. What's the vertex for this?
It was 8.
Negative 9 over 2, negative 1, 4.
So we rated it as x minus or x plus?
Everything is valuable.
¿En serio?
Yo
creo que mami creo que es un poco apartada.
Yeah, it was positive before. That's why I thought
What you talking about was positive before?
like over there, it was positive.
It is. It's still positive.
But isn't one of the values supposed to change?
When you take it out for the vertex. So if you were if they ask you what the vertex is, this is not going to be positive. Negative 9 over 2 is going to be what?
Negative. So why do you rate it as positive?
Because that's the answer. But what's the vertex? If they ask you for the vertex, what they going
Oh,
to
they're
give
not asking for the vertex?
you? They're not. They're just telling you to put it in vertex form.
Oh.
I was just giving you the vertex. Just for
Okay.
extra.
No.
Got it? All right. What was that? One more y'all wanted to see?
You said you would help us with 9 and 10.
All right. 2 more I said. Who over here saying? Sí, mira.
I'll take it back.
Oh my goodness.
That's the same.
Yeah, that's it. So remember, we put parentheses around here, put the space out. Take this number divided by 2. 16 divided by 2, 8. 8 squared, 64. Minus, so add 64, subtract 64. 71 minus 64, that's how you get 7. Then in here, 2 numbers that give me 64 that add to give me 16.
Okay.
8 más 8 es 64 y 8 multiplicado 8 es 64 y 8 más 8 es 16.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's my teachers. It's my teachers. I'm learning my Spanish. That's it. We getting there.
Did you take Spanish in high school or
A
college?
little bit. In high school I took it. I didn't take it at all in college. I wish I
Oh,
would.
that's it.
It's pretty good for feel like
Well, no, I'm trying to get back to it. You know what I mean? Because now it's 2024, Becca. Like, all of y'all got an advantage. Because now in America, you gotta have like 2 languages minimum.
It's ironically, I've taken every language but Spanish. I've taken like Hebrew and
Every time you go to the bank, it's gonna ask you English, Espanol, or Creole. You better learn one of them 2. They're coming up. You know, 2 of the 3 you better learn. So even us old folks that's in here, they be like, this is America, you speak American. No, you better learn. America's different now. America's bilingual now, okay? Wake
America's not a
up.
language.
America is now bilingual.
It's
We are multicultural. We are a skittle bag now. We trilingual.
Wait, Mr. Coach, could you do like America? It doesn't say any languages specific.
It don't say no language, see? Like I signed to too. See? Alright, let's get back to it. That was a cool little break.
We're on Nove.
Nueve.
No, I took
Say
Italian.
Nove.
That's an Italian, my bad.
That was Italian?
Yeah.
Nove?
It's Nove. Yeah.
Nove. Alright, Nove is Italian.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know Spanish. Wait, how do you say it in Spanish?
Nueve.
Nueve.
Alright, Isaac Henley, number 9. Y'all think you was asking for that one. You was scared of this fraction.
Yes, I am.
And you was scared of this x minus 7. So just help me out. Give me the problem.
Alright, so 1 over 2
1 over 2.
parentheses
Yeah.
y plus 4
Uh-huh.
equals
Close parenthesis.
close parentheses. Parentheses x minus 7
B. What's again, B?
close parentheses to parentheses.
Would you multiply the one half to the other side?
Remember, what is my vertex form? Don't looking at that. I ain't worried about it. As long as we get it to this form. This is where we going, right? So the first thing I'm gonna have to do, hold on, fellas, hold up. First thing I'm gonna have to do is what? Not FOIL, Becca, but
Distribute.
distribute.
No, you said multiply.
No, you multiply.
Technically distribution.
I'll let that
It is
pass.
multiply.
I was looking for the term.
Oh, yes.
So when I distribute that, this makes, let me erase this so that I don't get confused nobody.
Okay.
This becomes now 1/2 y, and what's half of 4? Dos.
Oh, so it's divided by 2.
Equal, now, watch this one, Isabella. Over here, you got the difference of perfect with 2 terms that's squared. So it's x minus 7 squared.
So x squared minus 49?
What do you mean?
No, you gotta extend it.
Oh, and then you do the 4 on that.
Oh,
Come on.
So understand.
Or,
X squared.
wait a second, hold on.
You okay? You okay?
No tiene valor. Vamos.
Cut it in half. Save yourself some work, cut it in half. Meaning, before we do anything with this, you know this is a similar vertex form. Kind of looks like vertex form a little bit. X minus 8 squared, right? So let's try to keep it. Let's take this 2 and get rid of it. Let's subtract 2 from both sides.
Oh, okay.
No, will they become positive?
Wait a minute.
Oh, no, never mind.
No,
Never
you
mind.
subtract.
Yeah, I didn't see this.
So watch.
I see the plus.
The 2's are going to cancel. You're now left with 1/2 y equals x minus 7 squared minus 2. We almost there.
Oh, that's
Slide. So now, what do I got to get rid of?
the fraction.
The fraction, yeah.
The fraction. So how do you, if I'm multiplying by 1/2, I got to do what? Divide by 1/2. How do you divide by half? you really take,
Keep, change, flip.
well, no, you multiply and take the reverse. How do you divide fractions?
Reciprocal?
You don't, when you divide fractions, you don't really divide. You multiply
Yeah,
it.
that's KCF.
No. The R begins with, what's that flip word called? It begins with an R.
Reciprocal.
Reciprocal.
Yeah, that's what I said.
So instead of divide, you're going to multiply both sides by 2 over 1.
That is KCF.
No.
Yes, you
This
change
is
it.
KCF.
Oh, wait.
Of a fraction.
Keep, change, flip. That's KCF.
How do you -3?
Keep, change, flip. That's KCF.
Oh, it's just an example. I thought you were looking.
These cancel, giving me y equals, remember you got 2 over 1 on the other side, so you got to multiply both sides by that 2. This becomes 2x minus 7, and -2 times 2,
-4.
-4. Your vertex here is still 7 and -4, but the answer is y equals 2 times x minus 7 minus 4. Pause. Let me double check that.
Wait, what was the answer? 2 times x minus 7.
What number was that? 9? Beautiful. Beautiful.
Wait.
To the next where parentheses x is, why is there 2?
Where?
Oh gosh.
Next to
why did-
parentheses x 2. I mean, next to parentheses x.
Did I have it? Did I have footwork? That was my footwork. Okay, boy, mom. Hey, my teacher is a weirdo.
Why?
What happens to me?
So why is okay? So where's this y equals 2? Why is there 2?
What?
Why is there 2 in the equation?
You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, why is there 2 though? That's
Wait, yeah, why is there 2?
Why is there 2 where?
Like in front of the
You
parentheses.
use the reciprocal. You don't keep, change, flip.
Great question.
Put it on the other side. That's what
You multiplied the reciprocal
why is there 1 here?
of 2 here. So you also got to multiply everything on this side by 2. I just put it over here.
So wait,
So
why
the
would
2
that?
goes to this and the 2 goes to that.
So why would that cancel? Is it because they're the same numbers?
Yes, it's you multiply it by its reciprocal, so you switch it. This cancels, that cancels, and then you just with the y.
Oh.
Over here you add your 2, right? 2 times x minus 7, and then 2 times -4. Alright, you guys, you can use this video to help you with the rest of them.
Wait, you said number 10?
Oh, I did?
Yes.
You want me to do 10?
Yes, please.
Alright, fine. Last one I'm going to help you with, number 10.
You gave me a half.
Number 10. Somebody run it to me.
6.
How about that time when
Oh,
I
sorry, I was
last go? Because of Bremble's.
Okay, it's 6x
You
squared.
did? I gave you that last piece in 10th grade.
And then it's plus 12x
I gave that you retake me.
plus y plus 13 equals 0. There you go.
Like that?
Yeah.
Well, Becca, what do we got? What can I keep on this left side? Yes, say it. You just, I see it. Say it. Say it. What was you about to say?
I don't know. I'm thinking right now.
What can stay and everything else gotta move?
Oh, the y.
The y can stay because the equal sign is there. So the y can stay. I mean, I gotta get rid of this. I gotta get rid of this, and I gotta get rid of this.
Yeah.
So when you get rid of all of that and the y stays, this becomes y equals -6x minus squared minus 12x minus 13. Let me pause right there so y'all can see what we talking about. Y'all good money. Everybody get that?
They wouldn't cancel?
Hold up. Wait.
What are you laughing?
So the next thing you gotta do is what?
I have a question.
What?
They didn't cancel because they're the opposites.
This did cancel. That canceled. And that canceled.
So why are you rewriting it here?
Because all of that canceled
because it's all on
and
the other
moved on
side.
that side.
Oh, okay.
And it all became negative now.
I see.
Right?
And then equals 0? Or did you get no?
Equals y.
Oh, wait.
It's nothing that was over there.
Oh, you
There's
don't
nothing
know that.
over there.
Oh, yeah, because nothing. Yeah.
Nothing over there.
Okay.
Now, separate. I'm gonna have to put some space, so this gonna be negative 6x minus 12x. Watch what I'm doing. Watch, I'm gonna need some space. And then put the negative 13 on the outside. What can I take out, Becca?
1 second.
Yeah, hold on, pause.
Okay, well, the negative 12x, that's the middle value, right? So would you
Well,
square it?
maybe I want to. I gotta take something out.
The negative 6.
Yeah.
It's the same thing you're doing.
Why do you take?
Yeah. Yup. Similar. You missed the other ones, but you can catch it on the replay.
Yeah.
I'm gonna erase this so I can get some space.
Wait, what would you do with the negative 6 when you mean?
You multiply.
You gotta factor it out of this parenthesis here.
Oh.
So when you factor it out, it becomes y equals negative 6 x minus negative 6 times what made negative 12?
What? Say it again?
Yeah.
Negative 6 times what made negative 12? 2. So it becomes minus 2x, or plus 2x, sorry. And then you put the space, open, you still got your minus 13. Oh, and then we need what? Space. And whatever we subtract from here, we got to multiply by 6. Negative.
Wait, yeah. So.
With me so far, y'all get that?
Yes, sir.
Now this middle term, you got to do what to it again?
Divided by 2 and squared.
Yup, divide by 2 and squared. 2 divided by 2,
1.
1 squared.
1.
So you're going to add 1 here and subtract 1 over there.
Oh my god, no, we just here.
Now, break them down, simplify it. The negative 6 can stay. 2 numbers that multiply to give me 1, that add to give me 2. Hello. X plus 1 squared. Now on the outside here, you got negative 13 minus 1. What's that? And negative 14 times negative 6.
Negative 84.
I got 84. And that's what I got. I'm a little nervous about it though. With the vertex being negative 1 and 84. I am be honest. Hold up. Let me check this one. I'm a little nervous about this one. Hold up. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm nervous about it.
What happened?
I don't know why. Because it looked like I got it. Ooh.
Right or wrong?
What was the correct answer?
It's 7, not 84. Hold on.
Huh?
Hold up. Hold up.
Oh, maybe because you multiply.
It's something with that, yeah. We got everything else. The x plus 1. For some reason, this minus 7 is where I made a mistake on that. So let's see.
Maybe you multiply, then you subtract.
All good?
Yeah, sir. Just got an announcement for the kids, yeah.
Yo, listen up. Dita got an announcement.
Yes, sir. Hey guys, so as for Miss Jane's, just make sure you guys actually buy your Halloween dance tickets or else it will be getting canceled, alright? You can buy them either on the school website, during lunch, or the day of. But if you do it for the day of, there might not be enough people going, and then they might end up getting canceled. So I recommend you do. If you don't go, you have to do a packet. Yeah.
I'm not coming.
And if you don't come that day, you will get an unexcused accident. So,
I got a doctor's appointment.
then that can do fine. Yeah.
And yeah, cool, Dr.
So, yeah, just make sure you guys buy them, alright? It's gonna be really fun.
How much? You ain't tell them how much?
$10
$10. Buy the Halloween ticket.
for a Halloween dance. Yeah. Yeah. Halloween dance. Make sure you guys buy them, alright?
So, what we made our mistake was right here.
Who are they going to?
Or he's gonna go to.
I don't know.
Positive or something?
1 times negative 6, so that becomes
All positive 6.
13 plus 6.
Yes.
So this is negative 13
Supposed to be negative
plus
7.
6. And that's how we get negative 7.
That makes sense.
Negative 1 times negative 6. Why did we forget this? I forgot to do that. I
It's
did.
okay.
And that's how we get that negative 7. Because remember, when you take out the negative 6, you gotta multiply on both sides. So when we had this 1, you take that 1 that you gotta subtract. What's negative 1 times negative 6? Positive 6. Negative 13 plus 6, that's how you get the negative 7. Everything else is good money. Alright, that's a wrap. Y'all can finish the rest. I'll post this video tonight, right now.